Hello champions, welcome to Pharma Syndrome YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss important information regarding Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Drug Inspector, the scheme of examination and syllabus for drug inspector. So most of the people regarding this drug inspector, they are looking for the coachings as well as they are looking for the materials. If you are really willing, I hope you know about me. I am Ashok Kumar sir and I am also part of GDC classes. So soon we are going to start coaching classes for this Telangana Drug Inspector, sorry, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Drug Inspector, especially paper 2, that is pharmacy portion. And regarding any queries regarding this, regarding coaching, regarding materials or any other doubts, you can contact me on the given number, that is 7995318103. So in this video, our focus is mainly on the scheme of examination as well as syllabus for the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Drug Inspector. Okay, so let's have a look here regarding the scheme of examination. So there is two papers. One is paper one and other one is the paper two. So it is here post other than the translator. So regarding the paper one, in the paper one again part A, part B, part C. So regarding the these different parts, for example, part A is a Tamil eligibility test, SSLC, and here just a minute. So I will show this also, you'll understand. So here simply subject. So in the paper one again there is a part A. Part A Tamil eligibility test. So standard is SSLC. Number of questions will be 100. Maximum marks will be 150. And minimum qualifying marks SCS, SCAS, STs, MBCS or BCS, BCS and BCMS. Minimum qualifying marks is 60 and for other also generally 60. And type of the examination for all this paper 1A, paper 2 is commonly objective as well as OMR type. So objective questions will be there and OMR type. And part B is the general studies. So the standard is the degree and number of questions will be the 75 and maximum marks will be the 150. Minimum qualifying marks will be 135. For others it will be the 180. And coming to the part C, aptitude and mental ability. The standard is SSLC. Number of questions will be 25. Number of questions will be 25. Okay, and paper 2 is the subject paper. So, in respect to the particular subject, here I am discussing about a drug inspector related to pharmacy post. So, here paper 2, nothing but subject paper. So, degree or PG degree, number of questions will be 200, duration will be 3 hours. So, paper 2 duration will be 3 hours, paper 1 will be the duration of 3 hours, and maximum marks is 300. Maximum marks is 300. Okay, and here so this is a paper 2 and this is the paper 1. And let's check on the syllabus also. So it is simply objective questions, computer based test and OMR type. Okay. Total చూసుకుంటే గనక nothing but total 450 marks. So let's have a look on the syllabus also. So syllabus is given around the pages of 105 like that. So let's have a look on that also. So syllabus is also very clear and here I focused syllabus regarding the drug inspector, that is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission drug inspector. Total post are 9 posts are there. It is non-interview type. Once you qualified in the examination, based on the merit, you will select for the post. So just a minute. So let's have a check on the syllabus also. And they also clearly mentioned the syllabus regarding our pharmacy also. And especially I already mentioned to you regarding the paper 1, you have to take care of yourself. Regarding paper 2 pharmacy, we will give the coaching. And I hope you have the knowledge on the GDC, GPAT Decision Center as well as GDC English classes. GDC English classes launched since 4 years, especially for the South region students to break the language barrier because Hindi is difficult to the South region students and we are providing the daily live classes and each live classes will be recorded. You can listen at any time if you missed the class or for the revision purpose. And we are providing the test and MCQs with explanations in the YouTube GDC English class YouTube channel also. And even we are providing the materials also. Okay, so just wait. We came to the near point. So patience is also key for us. So instead of making different videos, just I make one video here, simply scheme of examination as well as so here this is the syllabus. Okay, so this is the syllabus for pharmacy portion, paper 2 for drug inspector. So simply they mention 24 will be the serial number, pharmacy, clinical pharmacology, microbiology as well as degree standard. So regarding the unit 1, they will give 20 questions from the unit 1. In the unit 1, they may clearly mention historical background and development of profession of pharmacy. And part 2 of unit 1 is calculations, especially posology, pharmaceutical calculation, percentage solution, allegation, pro spirit, isotonic solutions, and unit operations regarding size reduction, like especially engineering, pharmaceutical engineering, size reduction, size separation, mixing, filtration, centrifugation, evaporation. So I will share this PDF link in our description of this video, and I will also share a WhatsApp group link. That WhatsApp group link is very very important. Join in that WhatsApp group for important updates as well as daily updates regarding this. And even further one is course disruption, course dispersion, pre-formulation, again pre-formulation, subcategories like physical property. So I will provide this document link, go through it once what is the syllabus they clearly given. And next unit 2, from unit 2 they are giving a total 15 questions. From the unit 2 they are giving the 15 questions. So pharmacokinetics. In pharmacokinetics, so there are different models are there, and GMP, good manufacturing practices, GLP, good laboratory practices, so warehousing, regarding good warehousing practices, quality management. Okay, next also OTC sales, drugstore management, novel drug delivery system, blood products, all these things they mention. And unit 3 again 15 questions. Unit 3 commonly from the general microbiology as well as immunology, general microbiology as well as immunology. And like in general microbiology, morphology, normal microbial cultures, flora, etc. etc. They give. Unit 4 20 questions, that is from the clinical and applied microbiology. Unit 4 they given 20 questions they mentioned, and clinical and applied microbiology. So this is very very clear. Mostly in the examination they didn't mention how much questions they will from the different portions, but here they clearly mention so what is the unit and how much questions will be come. And here again clinical and applied microbiology there are 20 subparts are there. And unit 5 is related to simply like atomic structure, valency. From unit 5 you will get 15 questions. Unit 6 regarding principles and pharmacopoeial assay procedures, etc. From unit 6 you will get 25 questions. And unit 7 general pharmacology 20 questions. So pharmacology is very very important nowadays for like GPAT, NIPER, drug inspector as well as a pharmacist. So general pharmacology, drugs acting on nervous systems, especially central nervous system, cardiovascular drugs, drugs acting on hemopoietic, and unit 7 drugs acting on the GAT, and also drugs acting on the endocrine system. So from the unit 7 20 questions of the pharmacology, and here unit 7 20 questions general pharmacology, drugs acting on nervous system including ANS as well as CNS, CVS, drugs acting on blood. And again this 20 questions from unit 8, that is also pharmacology. So 40 questions now. 40 questions are from pharmacology. So including GIT, endocrine system, immunopharmacology, as well as a chemotherapy, and also bioassays, so miscellaneous. And unit 9, 20 questions interlinked to the pharmacognosy. So from the pharmacology itself, you are getting 40 questions. So in my Pharmacy Syndrome YouTube channel itself, you will get information regarding pharmacology videos, important pharmacology videos regarding your competitive exam preparation. So must go through it. So remember 40 questions are from the pharmacology itself. And unit 9 so interlinked with pharmacognosy and their syllabus. And unit 10 total 30 questions are from the unit 10. So unit 10 paranga చూసుకుంటే కనుక they will 30 questions are there like drugs and cosmetic act related to the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, related to the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Okay, so this is simply about syllabus regarding the pharmacy portion, especially paper 2 drug inspector, and paper 1 Tamil eligibility test, general studies, aptitude, all goes to the paper 1, and paper 2 goes to the this pharmacy syllabus. This is regarding the pharmacy syllabus. So definitely this video is helpful to you. So start your preparation. If anything is there, I already told you. So you can call me on this number regarding for your materials, regarding for your coaching, whatever it may be. And if you are having any doubts also, And if you require any motivation also, you can call me on 799 531 8103. And I will provide some important links of this information in the description video, nothing but description of particular video. So go through it and you can access their WhatsApp group link will I provide, and this PDF link also I will provide. So all the best, start your preparation.